We are in Loveland, Colorado. This is the Flatiron-Valley 115kV line. This job's a little bit different because we're going right through the neighborhoods of Loveland. Most of our lines are just out in the pastures. The line was built in somewhere in the early 50s, and the community has built all around us, and it still continues today. The benefits of this job are the reliability factor of the line. We are raising some structures up to give us a little more clearance. When you get a little ice on the line and a little bit of wind, they start galloping and they touch each other, and electricity goes from the conductor to the ground, and then one of them will hit the ground.
Here we're changing out a H structure. The poles weren't tall enough to hold the fiber up, and they were slapping the lines together and tripping it out. So we're trying to avoid that, so we're raising up the tops of the poles and just getting some more clearance on these roadways. And it's just a good feeling, makes me feel like I'm doing something good for people. This is a very good crew, everybody works together, and we all are for the same goal of keeping the power on.